Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A32 and let me share with you how to reset settings on this device. So firstly, let's actually open the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on General Management. Here we've got reset option, so simply tap on it, and on the very first position we've got a reset all settings option, so let's tap on it. And now your device is telling you that it will reset all the settings on your phone except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps. So for example, it will remove all the customization like, I don't know, changing the screen timeout. So if you are ready, just tap on reset settings. We have to confirm it with a pattern. And here we've got also the info that all the settings will be reset to their defaults and cannot be recovered. It is important. And to apply the new settings, your phone will restart. So just tap on reset and let's wait. Okay, and since your device is restarted, then it means that all the settings have been reset successfully. So, well, actually that's all. This is how to reset settings in your Samsung Galaxy A32. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.